Sidang Kemuncak ASEAN ke-47 dan Sidang Kemuncak berkaitan dibuka secara rasmi pagi ini di Pusat Konvensyen Kuala Lumpur KLCC menandakan bermulanya perhimpunan tertinggi pemimpin serantau dan dunia hari ini. Upacara pembukaan itu disempurnakan oleh Perdana Menteri Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim. Anwar dalam ucapannya mengalu-alukan kehadiran semua pemimpin ASEAN, tetamu pengerusi serta sahabat dari seluruh dunia ke Kuala Lumpur dan Sidang Kemuncak ASEAN ke-47.
When Malaysia assumed the ASEAN Chairmanship, we certainly recognize the magnitude of responsibility before us. Leadership is never a matter of routine. It is a matter of choice to define priorities, to renew ASEAN's sense of purpose and chart a course worthy of our people's hopes. 2025 is a year that asks and demands more of us. The world feels unsettled, the old order no longer certain, the new one not yet defined. Across regions, we see rising contestation of growing uncertainty. These crosswinds test not only our economies, but our collective resolve to keep faith in cooperation, to believe that understanding and dialogue can still prevail in a divided age. And yet, amid these trials, ASEAN endures. Our strength lies not in conformity, but in the conviction that respect and reason still bind us together.
Beliau berkata demikian sempena majlis pembukaan rasmi Sidang Kemuncak ASEAN ke-47 dan Sidang Kemuncak berkaitan hari ini.